Welcome to the Dasra Dolls Exhibit 2021 at the Ram Prasad household. I am Lakshmi and I'll be taking you through our exhibit. Before I start, I would like to offer pranam to Sri Ganesha. Our journey begins with Mysore Pattada Bombays. They are the dolls given to the bride and groom during their wedding. Even as times change, the dresses of these dolls remain festive. Traditional bronze and brass statues line the top step, accompanying them representing Devas and Devis. Carved delicately from wood, the Jambu Savari elephant is an iconic symbol of Mysuru Dasara. Some of the statues placed in the second step have been passed down from my husband's grandmother. In all their beauty, they are very special to us. The sandalwood figurines are especially unique to the state of Karnataka. Dasra as a festival is a trademark in Hinduism. To honor the spiritual energy, here are some classic avatars and scenes from Hindu mythology. The musicians from Rajasthan accompany Lord Nataraja in his joyous dance. The Deepada Malliyaru or lamp holders hold these lamps in reverence of the Lord. We now shift from traditional and indigenous dolls to ones from all around the world. Clowns are any child's dream. They often wear colorful clothes and makeup, performing tricks or playing instruments to entertain people. The three in the front have been intricately handmade. Clowns love making people laugh, and our collection definitely puts us in high spirits. Matryoshka dolls are iconic to Russia. They are a traditional representation of the mother carrying the child within her and can be seen as a chain of mothers carrying on the family legacy through the child in their womb. Opposite the Matryoshka dolls, we have these Channapatna dolls mimicking a similar concept. They have been handmade by the local artisans of Channapatna. Glistening in the light and perfectly cut, our collection of crystal is a spectacular sight. A wide array of scintillating figurines, from fish to carousel to a saxophone, these expertly crafted figures reflect a rainbow of colors. We love telling stories through our Dasara arrangements. The last step features three beautiful Asian performers playing for duos, looking on. These duos encapsulate a melting pot of cultures, from Shetties of Karnataka to dolls with mirror work from Hyderabad, to grandparents from Pondicherry, to a couple from China. We move on to these dolls from the Precious Moments collection. As the name suggests, they represent many important moments in one's life, like the proposal, getting married, and anniversaries. I hope you enjoyed our exhibit as much as we enjoyed setting it up. Happy Dasara!